Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening YouTube Studio and selecting the specific video you want to change. Once in the video details, go to Subtitles/CC and choose the language track you'll edit. If you haven't uploaded captions yet, add a subtitle file or enable auto captions first. Make sure the track is active. This step begins placement control because YouTube needs an editable caption track to adjust positioning, so confirm the track is loaded and visible before moving to the next panel. Once the caption track is open, click Edit to enter the subtitle editor. You'll see lines and a timeline. Select the line you want to move and tweak start and end times for precise placement in time. To change visual position, look for a position or styling option. YouTube's native editor is limited, so adjustments often require editing the SRT/VTT file with cue settings. If available, modify cue settings like line position, or use CSS-like cues to shift cap. To finalize, export or save the edited subtitle file containing new cue position values and upload it back to the Subtitles tab, making it the active track. Preview the video on desktop and mobile to confirm captions appear in the intended area. Different players treat positioning differently, so test both. If captions overlap important visuals, reopen the file, adjust line position or percentage offsets, then re-upload. Troubleshooting tip. If YouTube ignores position cues, use burned-in subtitles created in your editor or adjust video layout instead.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.